Hi, I'm Ian and welcome to tutorial 28, how to write a ratio as 1 to n. So the purpose of this skill is basically just so that you can find the value of 1. So often we're given ratios, we're given amounts, we're given proportions, and one of the key things we need to do is find the value of 1. So if we've got here, right, the ratio of 8 to 40 as 1 to n, all they want us to do is turn that 8 into a 1. So because ratios are directly proportional, that means we just have to divide every number by 8. So 8 divided by 8 gives us 1, 40 divided by 8 gives us 5. So therefore, if we're writing 8 to 40 as a ratio as 1 to n, it will be 1 to 5. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. So the next question says, write the ratio 14 to 98 in the form 1 to n. So this time what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to turn that 14 into a 1. So remember, that just means we're going to divide everything by 14. So 14 divided by 14 is 1. I'm going to use my calculator for the 98. Not too hot on my 14 times table. So 98 divided by 14 is 7. So there we go. So question 2, that answer is going to be 1 to 7. Let's have a look at question 3, and then we can check out some of the scenario questions. So question 3 says, write the ratio 25 to 100 as 1 to n. Okay, so I'll leave you to have a quick think about that. Think about how you might do it. Pause the video if you want. If not, I will start talking again very shortly. So here we go. Right, so there we go. We've got the ratio 25 to 100. We want it in the form 1 to n. So to go from 25 to 1, we need to divide by 25. And remember, as ratios are proportional, that means we need to divide everything by 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. And then 100 divided by 25 is 4. So the answer to this one is 1 to 4. Okay, let's go to the scenario questions and have a look at what we've got. So here we go. Question 1 of the scenario questions tells us a recipe gives us the ratio of flour to sugar as 2 to 5. Rewrite this ratio in the form 1 to n. So basically they want to know for every cup of flour how much sugar you need. Currently we know that for 2 cups of flour you need 5 cups of sugar, or whatever it is. It doesn't have to be cups, it could be kilograms, grams, whatever. But whatever it is, we need 2 to 5. They want it in the form 1 to n. So we're going to have to divide both of these by the 2, because that's going to give us that 1. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So the answer to this question would be 1 to 2.5. And what this tells us is that for every single unit of flour, we want 2.5 units of sugar. Okay, let's do one more and then I'll leave it there. So here we go. Question 2 says, in a classroom, the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 7. Write this in the form 1 to n. So what they were trying to find out there is exactly how many girls is there to every one boy. So it's 3 to 7. So we're going to have to divide both of these numbers by 3. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. And 7 divided by 3, I'm going to use the calculator for this one. 7 divided by 3 is going to be 2.333333, or 2.3 recurring. You could round it to 2.3, or you could even use 2 and 1/3. Any of these things are always fine usually, unless they specify. But great. Well done. I hope that made sense to you. I hope that's a useful skill. And remember to go down, check out all the resources under tutorial 28 so that you can practice this at home. And I will see you in another tutorial. Okay, thank you. Bye.